Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by collecting the exact source file and an editable watermark asset. Open the file in an editor that supports layers. Once done, import a transparent PNG or SVG logo so you retain quality. Make your watermark readable but unobtrusive by choosing 10 to 40% opacity and a consistent margin measured in pixels or percent. You should also set the canvas dimensions and note the aspect ratio. This prevents scaling errors later and keeps the watermark crisp during export. Now you place and refine the watermark on its own layer so you can adjust without altering the original. Use guides or anchor points to lock placement, corners for subtlety, centered for deterrence, or tiled for persistent coverage. Switch to a vector watermark where possible to avoid pixelation when resizing. Then tweak blending mode and opacity while previewing at full resolution and common scaled sizes so the watermark remains legible but not intrusive. Finish by exporting final files and keeping editable masters. Export images as PNG or high-quality JPEG. Export video using H.264 or a high bitrate codec for archival copies. Make multiple exports sized for platforms you use and embed metadata like author and copyright year so ownership is clear. If the watermark looks soft after export, increase contrast or replace with a vector asset. If it gets cropped on some platforms, enlarge margins and re-export. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.